Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a global admin or delegated admin role and multi-factor authentication enabled. Once confirmed, open a supported browser, Edge or Chrome works best, and navigate to Office. Click Sign In and enter your work or school account. The system may prompt for MFA. Make sure you pick the account tied to your tenant when multiple accounts appear. This avoids landing in the wrong tenant and saves time on role and access troubleshooting later. After signing in, click the App Launcher, the 9-dot grid, and choose Admin to open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Alternatively, type Admin, Microsoft, in the address bar. The page loads your admin dashboard if you have rights. Once inside, verify the tenant name in the top right profile. If you manage multiple tenants, switch to the correct one before making changes. Take a moment to glance at Health and Message Center. Those areas explain issues and planned updates you might need to address. To finish, validate that billing, domain verification, and directory sync statuses are healthy in settings and active users. Use the Admin Center search to jump to users, groups, or Exchange and team settings quickly. It's faster than navigating menus. Make changes cautiously and save each setting. If you can't access a feature, check conditional access policies or MFA requirements in Azure AD. These commonly block admin tasks. If issues persist, sign out, clear cache, and sign in again to refresh your session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.